Hey there! If you're tired of that stubborn microwave smell and are looking for easy solutions, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to use some common household items to get rid of that odor once and for all. First up, we have a lemon, an orange, and some vinegar. Lemons and oranges are both great options for removing unpleasant odors from your microwave. Simply cut a lemon or orange in half, place it in a bowl of water, and microwave for a few minutes. The steam will help loosen any food particles and neutralize the odor. You can also use vinegar in the same way, just mix equal parts vinegar and water. Microwave for a few minutes, and let it sit for a bit before wiping it down. Another great option is baking soda. Sprinkle some baking soda in your microwave and add a little bit of water. Microwave for a few minutes, then wipe it down with a damp cloth. The baking soda will absorb any odors and leave your microwave smelling fresh and clean. Finally, we have activated charcoal. This powerful odor eliminator can be found in most health, food stores, and online. Simply fill a coffee mug with activated charcoal and place it in your microwave overnight. The charcoal will absorb any odors and leave your microwave smelling fresh and clean. So there you have it. For simple and effective ways to get rid of microwave smell, whether you choose to use lemons, oranges, vinegar, baking soda, or activated charcoal, you can rest assured that your microwave will be smelling fresh and clean in no time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. See you next time.